Well, that playing was absolutely by Brandon, absolutely extraordinary. Listen to Brandon and go, oh, Brandon, a few years' time, we'll give him a call, you know. So seriously, you know, that's how it works. Brandon puts in the hours, and many, many hours he's put in. He has clearly a natural gift for what he does, but that's hard work.
Brave. If I mention Nanny McPhee, I think. If I mention Sense and Sensibility, if I mention Harry Potter, God of Fire, Patrick has written the musical score in the films for all of those, and many, many more.
What I wanted most out of today was to come along and hopefully inspire the next generation.
Very inspiring. I mean, he's got a lot of stories, a lot of experience. He's done some great things, so I'll take away everything I can from him.
Come along today with the people from Calderside Academy who's interested in looking into a career into the creative arts, and we thought that this would be a really good opportunity to come along, meet with others who have the same idea and find out the kind of jobs, the kind of skills that they would need for the future to get into this kind of area.
I was nominated by my music teacher to come to the event.
I got nominated from the tech teachers.
I was nominated from my art teacher.
I was nominated by my music teacher.
We've looked very much at not just at music or drama, we've also been able to look at what's involved in architecture, and maybe that's something that they haven't thought about before, or maybe not particularly decided they want to get into a career in architecture, but maybe something to do with the graphic side or the planning side. Obviously just now as well we're sitting in front of a camera, and it may be that somebody's never thought about that career before and think, well, that might be quite interesting, I'd like to find out a lot more about that.
It's been really interesting because I'm a music teacher and I've brought some of my finest pupils with me, and we all have a collective interest in music, but we haven't just seen music things today, and it's been really good to have a look at what else is out there and what else we can do and be inspired by.
I've just always had a one-track mind. I want to be a musician. I mean, they do encourage you at school to go for the arts, and you've got the music department and they're very encouraging. But I've always just seen myself to be a musician, go for it and just see what happens with that.
All walks of life end up in the arts, and that's the great thing about the arts. It's got nothing to do with what kind of, sadly, class you are in this country, which is riddled with it. It doesn't matter. It breaks down all barriers. It's open to everyone. You've got every right to have a chance, the same as I do, every right. And there's room for everybody. Believe it or not, there is room in all the jobs for everyone. So they all come from different backgrounds all over the world, and the best ones never forget that.